Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Ashley Ng, aka The Designer. I've got a question for you guys. What's 99 years old, German, and its brand is hard to pronounce? Well, it's Hefler. Established in 1923 in Germany, Hefler today is one of the world's leading producers of furniture fittings, architectural hardware, as well as electronic locking systems. With 37 subsidiaries and wide product portfolio presence in more than 150 countries and a history of over 90 years of experience and continuous innovation. Hefler is developing exponentially and becoming a world's leading home as well as project solution provider. In Singapore, where property prices are so high and our space is actually so small, everything becomes a challenge. Now in Hefler, they've actually took this seriously and created all sorts of interesting space-saving solution that optimizes your home and your space. And you can integrate all this into your fixed and built-in carpentry item. Now beyond that, I think Hefler has taken it a notch higher because in the 21st century context, going smart is a necessary process. So what we've done is that they integrated all sorts of smart solutions, coupled it together with the storage to provide a solution that you could utilize for the 21st century home. With Hefler, you can turn your design ideas into reality. Through the use of their sophisticated and integrated carpentry fittings, you can transform your otherwise ordinary carpentry to a multi-purpose, state-of-the-art customized carpentry. You'll be spoiled for choice when it comes to optimal use of space through their fittings and hardware. So since we are here at the Hefler showroom and we're at the kitchen mock-ups, I want to debunk a myth that we all have for the kitchen chimney hood. Now, contrary to what people think, the chimney hood doesn't get ducted out into the building. If you're staying in an HDB flat or an apartment, then the likelihood is that you got to contain the fumes and the smoke when you do your cooking internally. And what that basically means is that it needs to have a robust vacuum and turbine system to be able to pull the fumes and the smoke from your cooking and contain it inside. So what we have here is actually this very nice looking Hefler chimney hood that not only works well, if you have an open plan kitchen, it's going to look really cool as well. Havelock has this series of smart lighting called Loox. You can enhance your carpentry with their integrated lighting systems. It is cost-effective, future-proof, and adds value to the design and feel to any interior design space. Hefler has a range of smart locks for all sorts of door types. It is modern-looking, secure, and convenient. The system is mobile app enabled, and you can set temporary PIN codes for guests or deliveries. No more fussing with a bunch of house keys or misplacing them. You can set multiple entry modes with a Bluetooth key on your smartphone or even your fingertips. Hefler has been around for a pretty long time. And for those of you who know me, you will also know that I've been in the industry for a pretty long time as well. And in the past, they used to give out these kind of books. These are like the Hefler's Bible. And what it contains inside are actually all the hardwares and specifications of the products that you could actually specify in your carpentry or your fit-out items. And what's interesting to note about some of these products is that they may or may not carry it here, and you need to indent it. Now you think about your renovation cycle, sometimes it takes anything from a month to 3 months to complete. So it helps to plan ahead. Come visit the showroom, pick out the hardware that you really want, and if need be, indent in advance so that it will be timed just right for you to utilize in your renovation project.